What's up? Hey, first you gotta believe you come from greatness to be great at anything. To be great at anything, you need to realize you gotta have a growth mindset. And you must realize every hard thing you go through only gonna make you stronger. So next time it happens, shit ain't even really gonna feel the same way as the first time. It's like working out bench pressing. Hard the first time, a year later, is it gonna be the same as amount of hardness or did your body get stronger? I'm studying this stock shit. It was hard opening a book and reading and looking. Just I ain't gonna lie, it's hard looking at the lines, not understanding it and shit. But as you keep training and keep doing it, guess what? Your mind gonna get make your mind is gonna make stronger connections to seeing patterns and shit gonna start to click, man. So everything is hard until you believe and understand that you come from greatness. And once you understand you come from greatness, just lock in with that greatness and run off with it, man. But yeah, market's pulling back, man. I think what 4 points, some percent and some change. Yeah, 4.7%. It's not even it's not even correction territory. A correction would be over 10%, which might be that other yellow line. Let's see. No, it's old, bro. If this shit pull back 10%, bro, you know how many people gonna be panicking. But yeah, this shit falling back right now because inflation is still up. So inflation was 2.4% in October. What September, October, November. September it was 2.4. October it was 2.6. And this month it was 2.7%. So inflation is steadily rising. And the Fed ain't got control over that. And so the market is fearful right now. Um the Fed also reported that they gonna have less federal cut rates next year. So that shit made it even crazier. And the Fed don't know what policy path to take because they're unsure of Trump tariff plans and his plans in general. So shit, it's looking like it's a lot of unsureness in the market. Inflation is still here. Um, so yeah. Um, I ain't gonna lie, if you fearful of this pullback, of a 4% pullback, that mean you in the wrong shit, or that mean you oversized into some shit. If you feel the pain from this shit, that means you put too much money into some shit, and you probably ain't got no stop loss. And yeah, what you need to do is you need to create a stop loss before you even enter a trade. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna look at the top stocks in the S&P 500. Because if y'all don't know, the S&P 500 is the top 500 publicly traded companies in the U.S. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna see what the market is doing with these top five country, top 500 companies, not the 500, but shit, maybe 5 or 10. But as we can see right here, the market is very fearful. I ain't even gonna lie. If you buy when the market fearful and sell when it's greedy, you'll be up. Cause look, every time the market dip, it always go to a fearful. It always go to a fearful. It always go to the fearful side. Like pull back, fearful, pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back. Especially when the COVID shit hit, cause that's kind of when I first started learning about investing and getting into it. But it was kind of before this the 1 day time frame. It's not gonna go back that far. But let's look at the top 500 publicly traded companies and see what they doing. See if they had a good buy or what. First, we're gonna look at Apple. Shit, Apple need to come back down here, and then you can see what it do. It's all about levels for real. It's all about what can they do at this level. I mean, what can they do at that level? They could make an all-time new high, or they could come down and then go back up. I wish they came down. I ain't gonna lie, they should have came down, but Apple just so strong right now. Look at Amazon pulling back. Amazon is pulling back. That's I ain't gonna lie. Like good companies like this, when you buy them on a dip. Let me show y'all why. Let me show y'all why you need to be buying Apple on the dip. Cause look, every time Apple hold on, let me show you. What Apple started at 4 cents, right? And now look at it. It's at $253.60. Look what happened every time pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back. It took the elevator down, then it took the stairs up. And now look, Amazon is gonna be the same way. Extreme greed. You're gonna see a lot of look. Everyone was greedy here. Green, green, big ass wick candles. And then look, everybody fearful right here. Just none but sellers. Oh my God, is Amazon going to the bottom again? You know what I'm saying? Look, they probably was like, is Amazon going back to that $81 level? And look, it sure did. It sure did, and then it took back off again. Look at them candlesticks at the bottom. Look at all them wicks. You know. Okay, let's look at some more shit. Marcus MSFT. Man, they going sideways like a motherfucker. Microsoft pull back. Mm, that'll be a nice area for them to pull back. Johnson and Johnson, I already had this shit marked up. Johnson got some potential. It's already at this resistance turn support I marked up. That's a good pullback. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. It might be approaching that two. Let's see. Will it? Let's see. Y'all think it'll be below or above the 200? It's gonna be below. It's gonna be below. Told you. Ah. I just be knowing, bro. But yeah. Let's see. This shit fell from its last high, 13%. Yeah, I do know this company right here. I did some research on them this morning. Oh my God, they up. They already up. I entered right there, but this company got some great shit they got in store. I ain't gonna lie. But I appreciate y'all for tapping in, man. This gonna be a kind of quick video. I'm finna end it here. It's Friday. Hoodie and jeans, like I'm a teacher today. But yeah, peace.